What is up, everyone? So today we're finally going to be doing the retrofit on my headlights.
We're doing the retrofit on your headlight? Holy shit,
look,
man.
Here's my new headlights. We're gonna be installing the retrofit kit, which is all in this box right here. Got some projectors, some HIDs, got some Demoneyes stuff.
You want to throw them both in together? Or just one at a time?
Only one fits, dude.
Alright, that's what she said.
This guy. Right there.
That? Is there anything in there?
No.
Alright.
Flat like that.
Yeah, fuck it. Throw it in there. Throw that in there first. Ah! You got burned. Start the time. 7 minutes.
Alright guys, we set this timer for 7 minutes.
Let's see if we didn't mess up the headlights.
Alright guys, we got that headlight split open. One thing I forgot to mention is that you got to take off all the screws that are holding the lens onto the headlight. This one only has two. It has one there and one on the other end. So mine had one right there and one right there.
Tell them it's the same on their Honda.
Is it? We also took the wiring harness off that holds the lights. Alright guys, now we're just gonna wait for the sun to go down so we can throw the retrofitted headlights in on my car, and then we can turn them on against the garage to see if it all lines up smooth. I'll be back.
Check this out though. Check this out though, my guys.
Might deliver your package later, I don't know. Who's that cute guy?
My adorable friend right here.
Well, I know I'm taking the long way home tomorrow after work. Why? Is that smudge on the inside?
No.
Why? Because I don't want to get this shit rock chipped. I want to get it a cover on there.
A film?
Yeah.
A clear film?
Yeah. Stock retrofitted.